What if it's against your head? Who thinks this can happen? Rule number 1's what? Quick. Hands up.
Hands up.
Rule number 2. Keep moving. If I back up, he'll follow me. But the more he moves, the less he's thinking. Rule number 3. Engage with questions. What do you want?
What's your money?
Hey, is that a Glock? Boom! Right from here. End of the question is when you attack. He's got that up. You drop first. Gravity is fast. As I drop, my hands come straight up. Immediately, thumb is under the barrel. You kick and you peel. You have to attack back. If I just do this, he will redirect the gun toward me and blow me away. Because he just pulled back. I didn't affect his mind. What do you want?
What's your money?
It's in my back pocket. Is it all right if I get it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Bang! Right there. Now I have control. It just went off once. Look at the way I'm holding it. Do this with your left. You do it right too. Right there. If his finger's in the trigger, it goes over the finger. This hooks his wrist again so he can't pull back. And then I twirl it. As I do that, I kick. Now look where the gun is. Here comes the peel away. There it is. You see? This is one of the easiest ones if there's such a thing. None of these are easy. What do you want? Whoa! Bang! Right there, and I have control. Yell at them! Right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
It's not... What do you want?
What's your money?
No! You won't have my money! You have to think of your life. One more, a little slower. 1, 2. Hop free by itself. Break his thumb because he put it against it. Okay?
Nice! That was great. That was the best one. Yeah.